guys, Huva Huamanta, Mitakulu, Kaikile. For today's video, I would like to share to you about working with the elderly. So this is the nursing home. We have the nursing home equipment. It's Tabaroita Hoibakodasa. First, we have Dosite pill dispenser. Next is Lake, a medicine. Next is Lucky Pack House. It's a medicine packet or a medicine package. Next is Ruisco. This is a syringe. Next is Tabletin Morskain, a pill crusher. Next is Tabletin Pualitaya, a tablet cutter. Next is Lucky Lastari, a medicine patch. Next is Puratul, it's a wheelchair. And we have Rollaturi, a rollator. And next one, we have Kavilukipe, a walking stick. Silmalaset, eyeglasses. Kululaite, hearing aid. And we have Kumimitari, a thermometer for measuring body temperature, otherwise the word lampometry. Next is Verenpinimetry, a blood pressure monitor, and a cuff is Mancity. Next is Verensukirimetry, a blood glucose monitor. Lancity, it's a lancet. Patakuni, it's a shaver, it's a machine. Vaipa, it's a diaper. Next is Tikuhampat, a dentures. Next is Kumihangskat Tai Soya Kasinet, a safety gloves. Next is Karimalia, it's a kid dish. And next is Vaka, it's a weighing scale. And lastly is the Sarmayate. We have the Sarmayate Asia Tainiola Ruskis. It's a sharp container. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Moi moi!